You won't believe what happens when you put vinegar on your feet. And that's just the beginning. It might sound strange at first. Vinegar on your feet. But trust me, once you try this underrated remedy, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Vinegar isn't just a kitchen staple anymore. It's a miracle elixir with uses that reach far beyond cooking. Let's dive into the wonders of this humble ingredient, starting with your feet, yes, really, and working our way through your home. Your feet carry you through life. They take the brunt of your day, stress, pressure, and endless steps. Over time, that wear and tear shows up as rough heels, dry skin, bad odor, and sometimes even fungal infections. But here's the good news. A simple vinegar soak can completely transform your tired, achy feet. What does it do? Eliminates fungal infections. Vinegar's natural antifungal properties make it an amazing treatment for athlete's foot and other common foot fungi. Kicks foot odor to the curb. Say goodbye to smelly feet. Vinegar kills the bacteria responsible for bad odors, softens hard skin. The acidity gently breaks down calluses and dry patches, leaving your feet smoother with every soak. Soothes and relaxes. Warm water mixed with vinegar is a powerful de-stressor. It calms sore muscles and gives your feet a much-needed break. Cleans minor cuts and cracks. It helps disinfect small wounds and prevent infection, though fair warning, it may tingle a bit. How to do it? Fill a basin with warm water and mix in 1 cup of white or apple cider vinegar. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. Pat them completely dry. Moisture is a fungus's best friend, so don't skip this step. Optional. Follow up with a rich foot cream or coconut oil to lock in moisture. Do this a few times a week and get ready to flaunt those baby-soft, refreshed feet. But wait. Vinegar's superpowers don't stop there. Here are some more genius hacks you can pull off with vinegar that'll make your daily life a breeze. 1. No iron? No problem. Wrinkled clothes? Just mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 3 tablespoons of water, spray on the fabric, and watch those creases disappear. Great for travel, camping, or lazy laundry days. 2. Rescue burnt pots. Burned your pan again? Don't toss it. Pour in a cup of vinegar plus a cup of water, boil for 10 minutes, let it cool, and scrub. Goodbye stains. Hello shiny, good-as-new cookware. 3. Crystal clear glasses, smudged glasses driving you crazy? Spray a little vinegar, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and boom, clarity restored. 4. DIY fly trap. Fill a cup with apple cider vinegar, cover with plastic wrap, poke some holes, and set it on your counter. Flies check in, but they don't check out. 5. Eliminate bathroom odors. To neutralize unpleasant smells, soak a piece of bread in vinegar and place it at the base of your toilet overnight. You'll wake up to a fresher-smelling bathroom. 6. Erase wall scribbles. Kids turning your walls into an art gallery? Spray white vinegar on crayon marks. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe away with a cloth. No paint damage. 7. Say bye to musty laundry smells. Spritz your laundry with vinegar before hanging it to dry. It kills the mildew smell, disinfects the fabric, and even helps preserve colors. Bonus, the sun naturally removes any lingering vinegar scent. Who knew vinegar could be your best-kept secret for beauty, cleaning, and peace of mind? That 1 bottle in your pantry could save you money, stress, and even a trip to the salon or doctor. So next time you pass by that bottle of vinegar, don't just think of salad dressing. Think of fresh feet, spotless pots, and a home that sparkles, all thanks to this simple but powerful liquid. Have you ever tried any of these tricks? Which one are you excited to try first? If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.